Hello, my name is Joel and I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a bottle. What you will need is a bottle, of course, a lid, a smooth lid, a knife, a stick, some thread, 2 pieces of thread would be nice, some bird seed and a drill. Paper. First of all, you need to ask an adult friend to cut two holes in the bottle for the stick to go through. You need to be very careful when you do this. And you take your stick and you put it through the holes like this. Then you need to ask your adult friend again to put some holes in there for the birds to feed. Again, this is quite tricky.
I have to get some scissors for this.
It is tricky, just remember.
I should have brought some scissors out. Oh, that's working. Be really careful.
Be confident.
Mind your fingers. I think it's better with scissors, but it's working.
Maybe try with scissors or a knife.
I would go for scissors personally, because I didn't, and that was quite fiddly.
Ask your adult friend to drill a hole in the middle. Nice fresh hole there. And you take your string and you tie a knot at the top. Like that. Then you thread it through the hole and pull it till it gets to the knot. It should look like this. Then put the lid on so it goes like this and hangs. What's missing now? Oh, the bird seed! How could I forget about that?
How are you going to get that in the bottle without making a big mess?
Then I have to take the lid off.
Should we make a cone with the paper?
Yes,
A funnel?
That would be much easier. You can see we have made a funnel. Now, we are going to carefully tip the bird seed into here. You might need your friend to help you. It's quite hard.
Oh my
One hand.
Oh, Joel.
Take 2. Now that it's all on the floor, we use it off the floor to put it in the funnel. Coincidence happens sometimes. It's the usual thing, as everybody knows. Happens quite a lot sometimes, you know.
Good luck not making a mess.
Yeah, it's not a mess on the floor or anything. It's not like it's gone on the outside floor. Oh wait, we're outside. Oh. Now that it's full, you just put the lid on. Simple as that, and it is done. And now we have done, and we can put it on a tree. I'm going to choose this tree. Which branch do you think we should have? Maybe this one. Yeah. That looks good, doesn't it?
It looks brilliant.
Birds will love this. I hope you liked us showing you how to make a bird feeder. Please like and subscribe to our channel and put a thumbs up. Big one. Bye.